In this exclusive walkthrough, a private showroom reveals a Bugatti Chiron Super Sport gleaming beside a hand-stitched Rolls-Royce boat-tail interior. The narrator highlights bespoke touches like meteorite inlays, crystal shifters, and ultralight alloys that add bold presence. Then the scene shifts to a private jet hangar where a Gulfstream G700 dominates the skyline, its cabin wrapped in cashmere and rosewood. A flight attendant describes climate control, zero-drag seats, and a galley that rivals a five-star kitchen. This insider tour ends on the tarmac as engines hum, hinting at adventures worthy of the ultimate luxury.